Dear learner, we are going to create a new course on ETABS latest version. Recently CSI ETABS launched a new version with some extra features, and by using that software we are going to model a structure like that. So we'll create a model like that, and here is our floor plan. You can see this is a complex structure. We'll design a 15-story complex structure. We'll design that structure, and its total area is 5,142 square feet. So when we'll complete that structure, you will be able to design any types of structure where we'll complete every types of component, so that you can apply that in your present or in your practical life. I am a lecturer and department head of BSc Engineering Institute. Also, I am consulting as a structural engineer since 4 years. So already I have designed almost 70 to 75 buildings by using ETABS software. So I hope this explains or that professional working flow will help you to be an expert in that software. And I can ensure you that if you complete that project perfectly, after that, by using ACI latest code and by using ASCE latest code, you'll be able to design any types of structure in ETABS. So stay with us, and we'll start modeling our structure from next lecture. Thank you very much, and all required documents given in description. So I will request you just go to description, and even if you need that product, also go to description and our website. This is available there with video, details video. Thank you very much.